Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to place text on Surface Photoshop. We start by opening Photoshop and add our text using the text tool in the panel. After that, we will go to the rectangular selection tool and select our text. Then, we will copy this selection. After this, we hide this text layer and deselect it. Next, we will create a new layer from the bottom icon of the panel. After this, we go to the filter menu and click on Vanishing Point. Here we will click to create our perspective area. Once done, we will paste the copied layer using the Ctrl+U combination. We will see that our text appears. We can move it to place it within the defined area. If we want to modify its size, we have the transformation tool in the left panel. Once you have your text well placed in perspective on the surface, you can click OK. Finally, we will have our text placed on the surface. If you want, you can play with the opacity and fill of the text layer to give it more realism, and even enter its blending options to play with the values and achieve better integration. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.